Welcome back friends, and in Samsung Mobile when you are sliding your fingers from this side, this panel comes. This is called side panel. When you are sliding each time it will change. This is called control center. In Samsung Mobile now it is very easy to install this control panel for free. You can add some money and you can get some more feature, but you can also get it for free. So in this suppose I want to show you here. From here if you tapping it, it will go upside, and from here you can switch off on this. Some features are only available with the paid version, but here torch you can get. You can also get camera settings and all. So how you will get it and how will you enable it, I am going to cover in this video. Those who are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching it, and if they like it. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the settings and here go below, go to the display, and in display when you are coming below here edge panel, just touch on it, and from here you can turn it off or on. Just on it, and here when you are going to the panels you will see all the things. These are selected, and when you will slide it from right to left in the main screen, you will see one by one. This is called control center. So just again going to that display, and then edge panels, and then panels. From here you can go to the Galaxy stores, and as soon as you will go there you will see control panel free. From here you can install it. I have already installed it, so this symbol is not coming. For rupees 146 you can also get the paid version. So this is how, once you have done with it, go back, not Galaxy store, you have to go to the panels, and from here from upper sides you can select any of this which is already installed here in the panel. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to get control panel free. You will get many options free, but you will have many paid options here which you can buy from Galaxy store. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.